Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to find the derivative of an equation using the logarithmic differentiation method. So the first thing we have to know is that we use this kind of method when we have the base and the exponent are the same variable. And so the problem that we have is y equals cosine of x all raised to the power of x. And as we can see that the base and the exponent are the same variable, which is x. And so we can apply this method to find the derivative. We have only 5 simple steps to do this derivative method. The first step is to take the natural log and absolute value for both sides. So we will have ln absolute value of y equals ln absolute value of cosine of x all raised to the power of x. The second step is to apply logarithmic laws, and we will take the exponents out of the natural log, so we will have x ln absolute value of cosine of x. The third step is to find the derivative, and in this case we will use implicit differentiation because we have two different variables x and y, and so we will put dy dx beside any y or beside any variable that is other than x. So 1 over y dy dx equals, we have the product rule, so the first is x times the derivative of the second, which is 1 over cosine of x, and we will do the chain rule because it's not an x by itself, it's cosine of x, so times dy dx cosine of x plus the second, which is ln absolute value of cosine of x, times the derivative of the first, which is 1. Now we will have, just make it simpler, 1 over y dy dx equals x over cosine of x times minus sine of x, the derivative of cosine of x, plus ln absolute value of cosine of x. Now we'll just solve it for dy dx, and we will multiply both sides of the equation by y. So we will have dy dx equals y times x over cosine of x times minus sine of x plus ln absolute value of cosine of x. We'll just have one more step left to go, and the fifth step is to substitute the value or the expression for y, and as it's given in the equation or the problem, y equals cosine of x raised to the power of x, and so dy dx equals cosine of x raised to the power of x times minus x tangent x plus natural log of absolute value of cosine of x. And the tangent is from minus sine of x over cosine of x, so we will have minus sine x. I just put 3 more notes to give you an idea about what I went through exactly. I hope that was helpful. Thank you very much.